Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 94. HALMEONI. Again, it's HALMEONI. It is pronounced as a 3-syllable word. The first syllable is hal, second syllable is mo, and third syllable is ni. Pronounce it with me. HALMEONI. HALMEONI. The word HALMEONI is the Korean term for grandmother or grandma. Again, HALMEONI means grandma. How do we write HALMEONI in Hangul? It is composed of 3 syllables. Let's start with the first one. So to be able to write hal in Hangul, we need to draw first a hil character, followed by an a character, followed by a ril character. Again, that's hal. For the second syllable mo, we need to draw first a mium character, followed by an o character. So that's mium and o. And then for the last syllable ni, we need to draw first a nian character, followed by an e character. So nian and e. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 3 syllables to form the Hangul of the word HALMEONI. And with that, you've just learned HALMEONI. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 84 to 93. But don't forget our word for today, word number 94, it's HALMEONI, which means grandma. The first word for our review is word number 93, it's 할아버지, which means grandpa. Next word is 누구, and this is used to ask who. Next word is 세상이, which means world. Next word is 몰라, which is used to say I don't know. Next word is 모르다, and this is a verb which means to not know. Next word is 왜, and this is used to ask why. Next word is 축하합니다, and this is a formal way of saying congratulations. Next word is 어떻게, and this is used to ask how. Next word is 어떻게, and this is used to say what to do. And the last word for our review is 어디, and this is used to ask where. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.